Sometimes it is needed to check or detect the drawings in a project and find the problems of incomplete components or wires. Now I'm going to explain about electrical audit tool. To use this tool, I choose Reports tab in the ribbon, and then in the schematic panel, I have electrical audit. After choosing this tool, the electrical audit dialog box will be displayed. By selecting Details button, the dialog box will be expanded. You can choose every tab that is marked with a cross. All the arrows related to that object will be displayed. For example, in the Wire No Connection tab, all unconnected wires with the location point where the error happens is displayed separately. Each tab consists of several columns such as error message, which tells us about the exact error, and the other column that is drawing is for displaying the exact drawing DWG file. And the last one is the location column, which allows us to know about the exact point of occurred error. I'm going to explain more about the other tab, such as wire exception, that is for displaying missing wire number or duplicated wire numbers. The other tab is component no catalog number, that shows the components that do not have catalog data. Also, terminal duplication tab is for displaying the duplicated terminal numbers, and alternatively, component duplication is for displaying the disconnected wires in component connections. Here we have pin exception that brings a list of components pin assignments that have been duplicated. The other tab is contacts, that displays a child component without a parent. Cable exception is for duplicated cable. In the upper side of this dialog box, you can choose active drawing, which allows us to know all the problems in the current drawing. The other option that I'm going to explain about it is Go to Bottom. This option helps us to go to an error location and correct it. To do that, you need to just select the error from the list and then click on the Go to button. As you can see, the selected drawing will be opened, and also it takes you to this error location. Moreover, it is possible to correct this error and edit your component without closing Electrical Audit dialog box. In this dialog box, every time that you go through an error location, a check mark will be appeared beside that error. You can save the active audit report as a text file by using Export tab button. And if you want to save a complete audit report as a text file, the Export All button can be used. You can select this button and then specify the location that you want to save your file, and then choose the Save button. You may need to print the audit report, and to do that, you have to select Print button.